Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you two easy ways to find large files. First, using Windows built-in File Explorer with no software required, and then using Microsoft PC Manager. Let's get started. First, open this PC and open drives that you want to scan. Now, click on View. From the drop down, click on Details. Now, you will see names, that modified, type and size heading on the top of files. Now click on size and you'll see you can filter files by their size. For example, I'll select files with more than 4 GB. So these are the files, or these are files with size more than 4 GB. Now here I can delete files that I do not want anymore. So review the files carefully and delete only those you no longer needed. So that's how you can find large files without installing any software. Now let's look at Microsoft free tools that makes the process even easier. Firstly, open Microsoft Store and search for the application name called Microsoft PC Manager and install it. After installation is done, open or launch the application. Once the application is open, from the left panel, click on Storage and you'll see here large files. There are large file over 1.3 GB large files in my PC. To view large files or scan all files, click on drop down. You can select all drives, or you can scan for particular drive and click on this arrow to scan files. So it has started the scanning for files on this drive. So here it is scan all files under F drive, and also you can filter files by different types like documents, picture, compressed folder, videos, audios and others. And even you can filter size by file by their size, more than 10 MB or larger than 1 GB. So from here you can select unwanted files and click delete to free up storage space. So File Explorer is already built into Windows and works perfectly for finding large files manually. Microsoft PC Manager provides a more user-friendly interface and can help identify large files more quickly. Both methods are free, so you can use whichever you prefer. So now you know two simple ways to find and delete large files in Windows. Which method do you prefer? File Explorer or Microsoft PC Manager? Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.